Hi, in this video we'll be talking about slicing strings. Strings can be sliced, which means we can retrieve only part of a string. Well, let's have this text variable to which we assign this string, unbelievable. Now suppose we only need this part of the string, UNBE, the 4 characters at the beginning. What we have to do is use the text variable with a slice operator, which is a pair of square brackets. Now within the brackets, we can specify the start index, which is 0 in our case. String indices are 0 based. Then we need a colon and the past index, 4. Well, the start index is included, but the past index is not. So this means that we'll get the characters from index 0 to index 3, and index 4 will be excluded. So we should get 0, 1, 2, 3, these 4 characters. And let's press enter. Yeah, this is what we get. Now suppose we have something like this, text, and here we have the start index 4 and the past index 5. Well, this means we want to start at index 4, so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we have index 4, and go to index, 4, because 5 is not included, which means we are just here, from L to L, which is just L, and this is exactly what we get. Now we can skip the first index, like here, text with the index colon 8, and now this means from the beginning to index 7. So this is exactly the same as from 0 to 7. Let me remove this, and now here the result is unbelievable. So this is this part from index 0 to index 7. We can also skip the second index. So for example, text 3 colon, and now this means from index 3 to the end of the string. So what we get is unbelievable from index 3 to the end. We can also use negative indices. For example, text from the beginning to -5. As you remember, strings may be indexed backward with negative indices. So the last index is -1, the last but 1 is -2, and so on. So this is the character -5 from the end. And here is the result, unbelievable. Actually, we stopped here, which is index -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. And as we can see, -5, this character, is not included because this is the past index. We stop at the index directly before the past index. We can also omit both indices, the start index and the past index. Then we have something like this, text with just a colon. And this means from the beginning to the end. So this is used to make a copy. And here we get a copy. Well, in the examples above, we had 0 indices, 1 index, or 2 indices. Sometimes we can also add the step. Let's have a look at this. Text 2 colon 10 colon 2. This means from index 2 to index 9, this is not included, and this is the step, so it means take every second character. So the default value is 1. So in all the examples above, we could have used this step with the default value of 1, but as this is the default value, it's usually omitted. But in this case, we want the step to be 2, and the result is BLEA, which means from index 2, 0, 1, 2, to index 9, so here, every second element, so B, skip, L, skip, E, skip, A, okay. And here, in our next example, text, colon, 3, we use just the step, which means from the beginning to the end, every third character. And this is the result. From the beginning to the end, every third character. U, E, E, B. If the step is negative, the elements are taken in reversed order. Let's have a look at this. Text with the start index 8, past index 1, and step -2, which means from index 8 down to index 2, because index 1 is not included, and every second character. And the result is AELB. So starting at index 8 over here, and now moving in the opposite direction down to index 2, and now taking every second character. So A, E, L, B. And now let's have a look at this. Text. Here we have a negative step, and this means the whole string in reversed order. This is how we can reverse strings. And the result is unbelievable in reversed order. Okay, that's it for this video. If you like it, a thumbs up would be great. Also, make sure to subscribe for future videos. If you want to leave a comment or ask a question, you're welcome to do so. Thanks for watching.